Parents don't tend to consider the most important issue before they decide how they want to divorce or end their relationship. And that is the legacy they want to leave to their children. You see, in the June 2015 edition of Money Magazine, there was an article based upon a poll done by Merrill Lynch, which indicated that 74% of parents polled said that it was more important to leave a values legacy to their children than a financial one. Now, the importance of that is that the manner in which parents choose to start the end of their relationship is going to determine how functional or dysfunctional that family will be from that point forward. Talk about a values legacy. Now, what happens is, when they do things the traditional way, they create a win-lose situation, or better yet, a lose-lose situation, because we're talking about families. And essentially, that sets up a tug-of-war that will continue until they can't play tug-of-war anymore. And since they're connected together for life because of their children, the end of the tug-of-war occurs when one of them finally dies. And at that point, the children get to experience two emotions they should never have to experience at the same time: the grief from the loss of a parent and a sense of relief, because finally the tug-of-war that has been going on for all that time finally ended because the parent died. And it really doesn't matter at that point which parent dies first. The bottom line is that the remaining parent cannot play tug-of-war with a dead parent. So therefore, it ended. Fault, blame, percentage of responsibility, it really doesn't matter at that point. It ended. And the question is whether parents want to leave that as their legacy for their children. We can either have people divorce in the traditional manner, which is litigation and is adversarial and escalates conflict by doing a win-lose situation and breeding paranoia, or whether parents want to work in mediation, which is conflict intervention, in which we work to de-escalate the conflict and rebuild trust in order to help people reach agreements. What legacy do you want to leave to your children? Think about it.